Hey guys, solve this side. So today we are going to solve one of the most important interview questions, which is best time to buy and sell stock. So whenever any problem comes related to stock, it will be a little tricky. So this is the very first type, and in stocks we have multiple problems, around 10 problems I can tell. But for now we are going to discuss one problem only. In upcoming videos I will give other problems as well. So firstly understand what is this problem about. So they are telling you are given an array price of prices, uh, array prices. Okay, so price of the stock on the ith day. So they are telling you have one array. Okay, in array these are the prices of the stock on that particular day. Let's say first day stock was of 7 rupees, second day it was of 1 rupees, third day 5 rupees, and so on. Okay, then you want to maximize your profit to choose a single day to buy single day. Okay, they have highlighted choose a single day to buy one stock, and choosing a different day, they have mentioned different day you have to choose for selling. Okay, future they have mentioned the future. So what they are telling here, if you are going to buy on 7th, then you cannot sell on the same day, right? So you have to sell on the upcoming days. Okay, if you are going to buy on 1, then you cannot go behind also, because they have mentioned the future day, upcoming future day only you can sell it. If you are not able to maximize the profit, then you can return the 0. Okay, so let's understand with the example. So we have array 7 1 5 3 6 4. So if I am going to buy with 7 rupees, if I am going to buy on 7 rupees, then I have to sell more than that to get the profit, right? If I will sell purchase on 7, and if I will sell it on at 1 rupees, then I will be in loss, right? So I will not sell on this. Then again I will check, okay, on 5, if I will sell, then I will be getting profit or not. So we'll compare everything. Okay, let's say if I am going to purchase or buy the stock at 1 rupees, then I have to maximize the profit, right? So for profit calculation, simply we can subtract, right? Price we can subtract. If I am buying at 1 rupees and I am selling at 5 rupees, so profit will be 4 here. Similarly, if I will sell at 3 rupees, then it will be 2. If I will sell at 6 rupees, so in here they have mentioned the same thing. Buy on day 2. Day 2 means this, buy at 1 rupee and sell on 5th day. 5th day is the 6 rupees. So if the profit will be 6 minus 1, which is 5 rupees. So this is the maximum profit according to that. Okay, and they have mentioned, since here if I will tell, if I am buying at 1 rupees on second day, can I sell it on previous day? No. Why? Because previous day I didn't buy it, I was not having anything. So they have mentioned that only, since you was not having anything on previous day, so you cannot sell on that day. So you have to sell in the upcoming days, future days. Okay, so next problem and next example. If you are planning to buy at 7 rupees, then you have to get the more profit, you have to sell more than that. So we don't have any element which is more than 7 here. Similarly, if 6 you are buying, then you don't have any nothing, so that's why they are returning the 0. Okay, constant also you can see, prices value, length you will see at least one element will be there, and at most 10 to the power 15, and values can be from 0 to price. This is the price. Okay, price can be 0 to 10 to the power 4. So if you have understood the problem, what is problem it is, then we can come to the approaches. So two approaches we are going to discuss here. Okay, one is the brute force approach, because you might have while explaining this, you might have uh, understood how we have to solve it using brute force approach. What you can do, simply you can apply two loop. Okay, one is the you can take I, and another one is the j, you can iterate. So what you can do for that, simply how you will do, you have to just check if prices at j minus prices at I is greater than profit, some profit you will be having, right? So if it is more than profit, you can get easily, right? So you have to find the maximum value, maximum profit here. this is what you have to do. Okay, so this I am not going to tell because this is the brute force approach, and 2 loop you can simply use, and you can compare, like 7 you can compare with 1, then 7 you can compare with 5, 7 you can compare with 3. So I will be here and j will be here. Similarly, if you are coming to I plus 1, then it will compare with this, then 5 it will compare with all these. So this is the brute force approach. So since 2 loop we are using, so time complexity will be here order of n square. Okay, space complexity will be order of 1 only, but time complexity will be order of n square, which we don't want. Even on this LeetCode problem, this is LeetCode problem, right? So it will not allow you to submit in order of n square. So how you will do? So second approach that we are going to discuss here is the greedy approach. So greedy approach, you don't confuse with the name, like it will be difficult. I will tell 3 things that we are going to do here. Okay, firstly, what we will do, firstly we have to find the minimum value so that we can buy the stock, right? So firstly we will find the min value to buy the stock. Okay, second, if you have minimum value, then you have to find the profit, right? So find the, or calculate, we can say calculate the profit. If you have calculated the profit, then you have to compare with the previous, right? So you have to find the maximum profit. These 3 things we are going to do, and this is nothing but the greedy approach. Okay, so let's try to implement it. How while implementing only I will tell how we are going to do these 3 things. So let's say to start with, if I have array, then minimum value, what minimum value we can take? We can take minimum value as the first element of the array. Okay, so let's say minimum value, because we have to find out the minimum value. So firstly we'll take the minimum value equal to prices of 0. Okay, now calculate the profit, or max profit also we will take. Max profit colon equal to 0, because we don't have as of maximum profit, nothing I have, and we have to return 0, so that's why I'm taking as 0. Okay, now profit also we have to find the calculate the profit, so that profit also as of now I'm taking as 0, but this can be a local variable also, but for now I have taken here only. So for I colon equal to 0, I less than length of prices, okay, I plus plus. Okay, now first what we have to do, find the minimum value. How you will find? To find the minimum value, let's say you have as of now we are telling, okay, minimum value is 7. Okay, so and so how you will find? You have to compare, right? Current value you have to compare with the minimum value. So current value, what is the current value here? Current value is the prices of I, right? So for comparison we will use the if condition here. If current value is prices of I is less than minimum value, अगर minimum value से कम होती है तो what will do? Minimum value को update कर देंगे simply. Minimum value will be prices of I. Otherwise, if that is not a minimum, means we have some minimum value, we have to calculate the profit. So how you will calculate the profit? Profit will be, again, profit will be what? Current value is your prices of I minus minimum value, right? Minimum value is nothing but your the buying price. Okay, here this minimum value is nothing but the buying price. So here let me put it, minimum value is nothing but the buying price at which you are going to buy, and profit will be the selling price. So current value is nothing but the selling price. So this is the this price is the selling price. Okay, so now if we have calculated the profits, then we have to compare. Okay, this profit should be more if profit is more than the maximum profit. If profit is more than the maximum profit, then what we can do? Simply we can assign, we can tell, okay, this is the maximum profit equal to profit. That's it. We don't need to do anything else. Simply return it, max profit. let's check. Okay, let's try to compile it. If anything is missing, we'll get to know. Let's try it. Yeah, so you can see here first test case is passed. Let's try to submit it. If I am going to submit, what is happening here? Great, we can see we have submitted within the 0 milliseconds and we are going to beat 100% of the people, means we are leading here. Okay, so this was nothing but the greedy approach, and time complexity is here order of n. Why? Because we are iterating only once, but with brute force it was order of n square. So this is the best approach for this particular problem, buying stock and selling, right? So if you like the video, then you please like it and subscribe, because usually I will be updating or uploading many problems from the LeetCode I am solving, and uploading twice in a week. So if I am uploading, you want to get the notification so that you will be up to date which problem I have taken. So you can also go through that. So you can subscribe it, you will get notification immediately when I am going to upload it. Okay, and other than this, this is then Go I have explained. So Java also I have on GitHub. So I am going to give you the description, the link in the description of GitHub as well as the YouTube link, so that you can find the code as well. You don't need to copy, you don't need to write by stopping the video. So you can simply go to the GitHub, and from there you can take this particular function and try it. Okay, before this, if you want to try brute force approach, that also you can try. I have explained how you can approach that, but this is the best approach for this particular problem. Okay, thank you everyone, thank you.